Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a brand new day. Today, market is sort of bearish. To me, I feel it is still undecided because I feel German index and a couple of other indices are actually trying to trick us into opening a position, and then they're just going to trap us, stocks leather. So I may have to be very careful today, and I may have to stick to a couple of confirmations. If I don't see a confirmation, or if a setup lacks proper confirmation, I don't think I'm in for a trade today. Okay, let's observe and see. I saw a very nice opportunity this morning on Euro USD, and I was actually in profit, but I waited for my position to get to TP. Unfortunately, I got busy with something. I came back, my SL was hit, so I took a very big loss this morning. But then I'm not worried about it. It's just part of the plan, right? So let's be ready for this morning and follow whatever price action has to say, whatever price action has to tell us, whatever price action, whatever story it is trying to tell. That is the story we're going to stick with. Okay, in less than 2 minutes, volume is going to come in on now on German index. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. I love what I see. Nice, nice. So I think I'm gonna have to remove this. I actually had a position open here, with stop loss around here, but then the moment I started seeing this, I just closed it. Now it has gone up, but it's fine. So now what are we looking out for in less than 1 minute? What we're looking out for on German index is for price to touch this level and show us some reversals around here. If price touches this level, okay, if price touches this level, is it this level or the other one? I think the second one, right? Let's see. I think we are late. We are running late. We're going to see how price reacts around this level. If we see a reversal around this level, then we take a trade. If we do not see reversal around this level, then we wait for reversal around this level. Okay. But then let's see first what price is doing. Let us see what price is doing first, because we may not get the opportunity to get in. Today is a tricky day. I'm saying it again. Today is a tricky day. Here comes the volume. Here comes the volume. Let's see. Volume is in. Volume is in. Yes. Oh my God. If I hadn't closed that position, I would have made a lot of profits here. But it's fine. Okay, so what next is going to happen? Because I feel this is actually a fake out. If that happens to be a confirmed fake out, it means we are expecting something today. Just one thing, we're going to look out for just one thing today to see how we can get in, okay, for us to take advantage of this, all of them, right? But then when price gets to this level, we need to close up to 50%, so that in case price wants to reverse, we're not going to be at loss at all, okay? So that's going to be the plan. But then this will be going against the main trend because, like I told you guys, the trend is, you can see, let me remove this. See, the trend is actually, see, bearish. Okay, 4 hours is pretty much organized, but 1 hour is okay. I think this is it has corrected. A lot of things just got corrected, I would say. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see. Excuse me. So if price continues to go down, really, I'm not going to take a trade because I don't have any plans for that, right? Unless I see a series of very long candle that goes to correct. If it gives us some sort of correction, then that correction is what we hope to use. Okay, so let's get back to our analysis because I cleaned them to show you guys something nice. I think I like what I see. What just happened here, guys? Let me tell you what just happened here. Okay, so from here, oh God, come on, I don't want us to miss a trade, guys. See, so correction is done, right? So I may want to take a buy. But if you're taking any position, be very careful. Okay, I may want to take a buy above here. If you want, you can leave it above this level. Okay, for me, I think this level is enough for me. Let me just show you guys, man. It may come with this trade may come with a lot of loss. Okay, I think it's fine. 31 pips is not bad. Oh, sorry, sorry, guys. If we take a position above here, what is going on, guys? Yeah, I think I changed this now. I can have my. Now we're talking. Okay, price is breaking. So if we're able to break above this level I have here, then price is gonna go just up and give us this money we are looking at right here, 109 pips, right? But if we're not able to break it, then we look out for a signal below. Okay, that's gonna be the main plan. Okay, so now that this law is broken, this signal is invalidated automatically. Okay, the signal is invalidated. Now we have to wait again. Wait for this guy to move all the way down, right? And then once we see some sort of reversal sign, we draw up our Fibo level. Okay. Really, today is going to be tough. We may end up not taking a trade today because, really, markets we have. Do I say we or people has really gained, taking a lot of profit from markets. So now it's time for market to take back. So we may want to be careful, especially with German index. For Euro USD, we're pretty much playing out. The plan is playing out fine. And what was the plan on Euro USD? Don't worry, guys. I'm looking at NAS on my other screens. I mean, at German index from my other screens. So if anything comes up, I'm gonna let everyone know. Okay. Now this is Euro USD. What is Euro USD doing? It has broken out of this setup, right? So and it has respected this trend line until now. So and break of this trend line means that it is trying to retest this level to romance this. Sorry if I'm using the word romance. To form some sort of range around here, just to kill it, like test it and test it and test it a couple of times before it breaks, right? So that's it. That is what I think is happening now. Unless price breaks above this level, that is when I'm going to change my what is it called, my bearish bias for Euro USD. German index is still dropping. Just to let you know, you have your screen so you know that German index is still dropping. So let's see whether we can get a good trade from Euro USD. Let me first of all see if I can remove some lines, some irrelevant line. This line is relevant. This is relevant. All of them are relevant, unfortunately, guys. So I have to deal with the lines. So, guys, if you know me, I like trading with confirmation, right? Right here, I don't have a confirmation really. I do not have a confirmation here. Had it been this week here, right? Appeared somewhere here, then would have been in this trade, would have gotten in for us to make massive profits. But then the week is just it appeared in the middle of nowhere, telling us that this market is not really interested in giving us any opportunity to trade. Okay, if I were to be trading breakout and I get in here, or if what if I get in here, how am I sure the price is going to go down here since I don't have any confirmation, right? So it makes sense if I stay completely out, right, until I get a perfect confirmation. So let's wait. We are just let's see how many 6 minutes into the hour, right? So let's relax, let's chill. So Euro USD basically, my God, the lines are too much. I think I should remove this. Let me remove this. It's okay for now. And this line is relevant. This line is so relevant, so I'm not going to remove it. This one as well. So with this line, we can be able to know if this is actually a fake out, right? So with this line, if price eventually breaks inside, breaks back inside, we can assume that this is a fake out. If price breaks above here, we can actually start looking for buys in the sense that, one second, really, I don't think we're going to get it through today, but let's see. In the sense that we have this go up all the way, and then once we begin to see some sort of consolidation here, we then draw up our Fibo level. Maybe it's going to fall in somewhere here. We anticipate price to come down right here and consolidate. The break of this consolidation is going to be our entry, right? So let's see what is actually happening. Oh, German index is slipping away, guys. This is our profit going right there. It's all our profits. It's all our profit, guys. It's all our profits diminishing. See, I had planned for when price was there before this happened, right? By the way, before this, where's the before this happened, I planned already for a move from this top to this bottom, a total of about 150, 151 pips, right? So, but then all this happened when there was no volume. So, I mean, there is no confirmation here. See, even after this very tall move, this very, do I say, normally some people call it 1 2 or whatever it is called. So even after it happened, price didn't give us any opportunity to get in. You can see I marked at this level to see if price is actually going to come down all the way in, but price didn't do that. So I'm not going to test myself. After taking the loss this morning, I just want, like, 99% confirmed trade, not just any trade. Okay. All right. Let's see. We are all here, guys. Do not worry. Unless you have something doing, then focus on what you're doing. Otherwise, relax. We are all here. All the levels we are looking at, they are all here, right? Very important levels for the day. We have this, 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 and we have final one, this, right? So whatever price reacts the most, that is our entry. Do not forget, in my streaming, price may be bearish, but we may get price action telling us to go to sell. I mean to buy. So we buy and make our profit and leave the trade for people that likes to keep trades, for them to keep holding their trades. You can see Euro USD is pretty much holding on here. It's forming some sort of giving us some reversal signs. What we're waiting for now is a break of this level. I want to see a break here, right? And the retest. That retest, the breakout of that retest, because after retest comes a very small consolidation. That breakout is going to be our entry. Okay. I'm not going to get into any position right now because I don't know what market is doing. I just want to see a swap, retest, consolidation, breakout. That's what I want to see. If I don't see that, I better not, get in at all. I better save the rest the rest of my capital. If price wants to go up, fine. That's enough. Let it go up. I mean, I don't care. See? So if you are not careful here, see, this guy is just hanging in the middle of nowhere, right? Just hanging. He's not here. He's not here. He's not here. So if you are not careful, you may think that this is a reversal. Guys, do not fall a victim. Okay? Allow this price to touch a very important point. Then you can make your decision. Right now, it's waiting time. Okay? If I wait until 11:30, if I don't get any trade, I'm gonna call it a day. Then we meet again in the evening. Meet again in the evening. When I trade NAS. Okay, NAS seems to offer us more opportunity than German index, but then German index on its own, the day is going to offer us opportunity. It's going to offer us times five of what NAS offers us because it is a very insane asset. Any day we is going to work out in on our terms, guys. Believe me, we're going to hit 200, 300 pips in less than 3 4 minutes. So that's why I still keep it around, just to track it to see when it has something for me. Euro USD is really nice, showing us good signs. Do not forget, let me see if I can compromise a little bit here with some things. This line has been broken and it has, okay, look at actually what's happening with Euro USD. All this formation here, all these drama, all this upward movement, and consolidating into a channel, right? It has been broken, right? And after a break comes a retest. So this is the break. Let me remove the other noise around. So this is the break, right? After the break, I added the line here anticipating some sort of retest, right? So it has done some sort of retest here. So let's see if it is done with retest. Let's anticipate a reversal, right? If it is done with the retest, then let the reversal show. If it shows up, then we continue. We get in for price to continue to fall. Okay. And so, having explained this, I think the best thing to do now, maybe we should remove this line so that we can have good visibility in 1 minute, because 1 minute looks so dirty that I can't even think. Anytime I'm looking at it, I feel like shutting down the screen. Nice. So we have good visibility now, and this is more like it. This is more like it. Yeah. Let me remove this line and draw something very perfect for what I'm looking for. There is no special rules about anything in forex. Just whatever works for you, keep it, keep it. Whatever works for you. See, I just gave myself what I wanted to see, so that I will have good confirmation. There's no need of joining it from the top, since I know what I'm looking for, and once I see what I'm looking for, I know, right? And the second thing I wanted to draw out is this, joining from this point high to this high, this lower high to this higher high. So if I join it, I'm just going to drag my trend line down to see if it joins another point, and it did. So it's telling me that something nice is going to happen for us here. Perhaps we may see a sell with Euro USD. Okay, if this point, if this entire point was actually happening here, then I would have drawn a line here, anticipating price to touch here for us to get some entry to move up. But it is just hanging, man. I'm not a hanging man. I'm not a hanging man. I'm not going to take a hanging trade. I want a confirmed trade. Okay, so hanging man, you can take the trade for me to count me off. Okay. Okay, let's see if price actually do so. We have established that confirmation that price actually has come to our retest area. So let's remove this so that we can have good visibility on our charts. Okay, so and this small retest that we're anticipating, when the retest is done, we can see, okay, the retest becomes invalidated if price crosses above this level, right? Otherwise, if we get a closure, nice. I just want one more thing, one more closure, bearish closure, then we take a trade to the downside. Okay, That is for those of us that can afford to risk. Okay, if you can't afford to risk, you have to wait for a break of this level. You have to wait for a break for price to pierce through this level. Okay, and then reverse to retest. So what we are doing is to see if we can get in. Okay, for price to pierce this level, then we jump out, right, and wait for a second trade, which is we wait for price to go back all the way to retest, and then we jump in again and ride the tide. Do not forget, the moment this level is broken, I'm gonna remove this because it means this retest is taking time, so I have to anticipate something else. So clearly there is no volume on German index. DAX, there's no volume with DAX. DAX is just wasting our time. Okay, another thing we could actually do on German index is to mark out this level to see if price is actually going there to retest something, right? If we see that retest is actually getting is done, then we can take a trade. Yes. So this could be another opportunity to ride this wave, this impulse, an impulse wave down to somewhere around between 70 to 90 pips. Euro USD is doing pretty fine. So nice. I love what I see, guys. I love what I see. I love what I see. Okay. I love what I see. Okay, I love what I see. I love what I see. This is 10 pips clear. Okay, just hang on in there. You may see another opportunity to get in somewhere here. Okay, price may retrace up to somewhere here. Price may retrace up to somewhere here. You can just take a position from there. Okay. Do not forget this is we are risking 3 pips. We are risking, okay, let's make it 4 pips. Okay. We are risking 4 pips, 4 pips, 4 pips. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Hang on in there. The next 1 minute, we wait for candle to pull back. Okay, and this really, I don't understand what German index, this DAX, is doing today. It's forcing me to use this second template, and I don't want to use this. This template always it takes my money. I mean, if I use this as a confirmation, normally price hits my stop loss very easily. I don't want to use this. I want to stick with this other template. So if this works for you, go ahead and take a trade on German index. For me, it's not working for me. I want to see price come all the way here. If you remember, all the money we've made on live stream, we've used this template. So we don't want to change it now, right? We don't want to change it now, right? Right, guys? Right. All right. So Euro USD looks like it's gonna fall, but you just have to get in at the right place, okay? Just have to get in at the right place. Just get in at the right place. Get in at the right place, and you're gonna get and adding your point because I know Simon Conley is gonna be asking for points now. I know that, my friend, very well. So Simeon, if you're on the stream, these are the points, okay? Okay. All right. No, so the question is it gonna break through? Is it gonna break through? I think it's breaking through. If it's gonna break through, I can simply let's see if our stop loss sorry, our take profit gets hit, then we can as well look for another position immediately. Okay, this is part of the plan. This is part of the plan. Let me quickly close out some positions already. So, oh, I have automatic close. I mean, why the hell am I using closing manually? I shouldn't be doing this, man. I'm a big boy now. I have auto close. Where is it? Close order. Ooh, close it all. Close everything, please. Ooh, automatically closed. Guys, I'm gonna gist you guys later. Make sure you join my Instagram so that you'll be part of this gist. and this close or order, close or order, close or order, close it, 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 it's closing, it's closing. Come on, close all. Why are you wasting time? Yes, just close the last one. Just close the last one now. Nice. Okay. Nice. All right. Okay, guys, I hope you've closed all your orders because you heard me saying close all orders. So if you still have your position open, I think you're wasting time. Okay. We've gotten at least 9.5 pips already. We've got 9.5 pips already. So I'm going to remove this now. Okay. So just to make sure that everyone who joins this stream at a later time is aligned on whatever thing we did. Why is this not removing? Are you kidding me right now? Okay, now it's gonna remove. Okay, so what I'm gonna remove this. This has done its function. It has done its job. Let's look at German index. Oh lolo, jeez, damn, 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 guys, this is not fair. 50 pips. Anyway, we got some positions there, so let's not be let's not be greedy, right? We got some positions out of Euro USD, so we cannot have it all, guys. Unfortunately, we cannot have it all. So yeah, and good thing is that Euro USD is on all the platforms. So whatever forex platform you're trading, Euro USD is there. We've closed our position, otherwise our TP would have been hit by now. That's very beautiful. So let me switch to, guys. Permit me to switch to 15 minutes to see the nature of what we are dealing with now. So we no longer need these two lines here. We no longer need. Okay, we may still need this because pretty much price is still not at rest. If I don't get price, if I don't get price to fall into my feeble level, I'm not going to take a position. Okay, unfortunately. If I don't get price to fall into my favorable level, I'm not going to take any position. It's as simple as that. That is called discipline. Okay. Oh, I think I removed something that actually where price found support. Is it? So this price is touching here, right? Yeah, price is touching here, and suddenly it's no longer touching there. I don't understand how does that work? Just deleted these two things, and suddenly my price no longer getting touched. Why is it? So this, I'm going to remove this now. Price didn't get there. So first of all, is this what actually is going to happen now is that we're getting into a lot of confusion here because we have this. We want price to retest this area one, and we also want price to retest this area as well two, right? So these are the 2 points we want price to. Let me make unify this so that it becomes better looking. Nice. So these are the two points where we want price to actually touch. Either it touches here and forms some sort of reversal, or it touches here and forms some sort of reversal, or it touches here and forms some sort of reversal. Okay. So we have to be very careful so that we don't have to make mistakes, guys. Okay. And then second thing I want us to keep in mind is I would have loved us to take a trade if now that we have this form. So what if we look for some sort of retest to this level? Maybe let me show you guys because there are ways to take a position. So decide on what you are comfortable with. Okay. What if I mark out this level and I want price to actually touch here so that we can ride it all the way here? Okay. This is actually very possible, but then it will be going against the trend. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do it because that would be going against the trend. Okay. It's very bad. You imagine that we had gone against the trend with anticipation that price is going to hit somewhere here and they stopped here and look at what happened next. It's going to hit our stop loss for sure. Okay. This is why people lose money using this strategy. They get obsessed and they take reverse the positions that shouldn't take. They take positions with corrective waves, which is suicidal. Better take correct positions with waves alone. Okay. So Euro USD, some sort of is breaking out. So guys, one more position on Euro USD. If it breaks below the current candle, take a position. Let's target 21 pips this time. If it breaks below this current candle, okay, we take one more position on Euro USD and see where it takes us. Price breaks below that candle, take one more position, see where it takes us. German index is still playing around. When we get busy, it's going to move in 4 strokes. This is just how many minutes? 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, it has given us 50 pips. I call that diabolical. Obviously, German index is not giving us any opportunity to make profits today. That's just what it means. No opportunity from German index today. So risking 6.7 pips, which is approximately 7 pips, for 21 pips. That is three times, right? 3.18, 3 RR. Let's see. Is it gonna work out? If it works out, guys, it's gonna be bloody, like so bloody. It's gonna be so tough. Okay. Please allow me to set my cell stop. Yes. Now you can start moving, baby. Start moving, baby. Do not open position unless you get our confirmation is made, which is break of price below this level. If price does not break below this level and it breaks above this level first, then we call it off. Okay. I love what I see on German index. I love what I see. So let price keep going. If it means here, then we look for some sort of reversal signs. The break of that reversal signs, we take a trade downwards. Okay. Otherwise, if price pierces above here, then we wait for reversal signs here. Okay. The breakout of that, we take position down. If price pierces above, then we wait for another, a touch of this level, and the break of the consolidation that's going to form after the touch, we take a trade down. So we are all in play. We are waiting for this to happen. Any of them that happens is going to be wonderful. But then, it seems today German index is working with only 50 to 61% fever level. Yeah, that's just what I see from price action generally. So if we had gotten into position here, it should have been an error, right? So it makes sense if you guys look for confirmation that suits you. This confirmation, it suits me a lot and it saves me a lot of money, and that is the reason why I don't really. I always use them. Like when I see a break, when I see what I want the current candle that's giving me what I want to finish. When it closes, then I'm going to look for a break of that candle that gave me what I want, right? So that is actually how I've been surviving. Nice. I like what I see here, guys. Let me show you. Let me show you what I like. What I see here. This is what I see here. Okay. This is what I see here. It may be right or wrong, but then it means a lot. Price already is very close, unless again this high is broken. If this high is broken, let me remove this. Yeah. If this high is broken, that is only when this cell becomes invalid. If this high gets broken, this cell becomes invalid. So we go home. Okay. Both of them are doing fine. Let's see. Let's see. It's not worth it. You have to wait. You have to wait. Okay, let's see if I've got some comments. I've been busy on the chat. Good morning, Simon Canley. Hello, Michelle Kouabo. Hope Ekman. See you later. What does that mean? See you later. Are you leaving? Or you just took one trade and you want to leave? I don't understand. What do you mean by see you later, Simon Canley? Let me know. Hello, ZXCV1234 Forex. How are you? It's good to have you around, guys. Go ahead and like my stream, please. Go ahead and like my stream. Go ahead and like my stream if you like what you see. Okay, position triggered. I hope this continues going down because you can't just trigger my position and keep going up. My friend, just keep going down, okay? You're not silly. Don't go up again. If you go up, anyway, my broker position is not triggered anyway, but then here is triggered. For those of us that are using FXCM, I think your position got triggered. For me, it's not triggered. If you got triggered, let me know, okay? So I'm moving this down a little bit. My broker did not trigger my position. If you got triggered, guys, let me know. German index is moving. It's making a move. Yes, 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 baby. So the break of this low means that price will continue to push, right? So let's try something on German index, okay? We've waited. So now let's risk 35 pips. Are you willing to risk this much for this profit? 61 pips. That's almost not even up to two. 1:2. Oh God, this is not making sense, guys. It's not making sense. This is not like our stream, man. Really, I can't see confirmation. Guys, remove this. Please remove this position. Leave it. If it goes, let it go. If it doesn't give us confirmation, no need to force it. Okay, don't force it. Because if we force it and we make mistake along the way, it's gonna hurt us, right? Because we know the right thing to do, but we didn't do it. No confirmation, no single confirmation, no single confirmation, guys. This is bullshit. Really, this is not making sense. So I would have added, another level here, but it's useless. I don't want to get in from here. I want to get in from either here, here, or here. Okay. Oh, we have a bigger boy here. So we have a bigger boy here. See, damn. For me to go against this trend, really, guys, I want to see a confirmation because really it's tough. You may jump in right here, hoping for price to move up, and suddenly price starts dealing with you. Hoping for price to move up, and price comes here and reverses, and you see this level. Nobody wants that, right? So we want to be careful with our trading lifestyle. Okay. So, and something we can actually explore is this double touch here. Okay, let's see. We've got touch one here, first touch, second one, and then this is now the third touch, right? So sorry, this is now the third touch, right? So what is going to give me some sort of good spirit to take position here? Okay, guys, this high is broken already. This high is broken already, so we call this off. We call this off. Thank you for holding. We call this off. It's no longer a valid trade. Let me close my. I hope I'm not triggered, man. Yes, I'm not triggered. Yeah, I'm right. So I've closed mine out as well. Yeah, I know they're saying that breakout. When there's a breakout, price goes to retest the trend line. I don't trade like that, guys. I work with just one principle: retest my Fibo or stay the hell away from my way. Okay. So this is the third touch, telling us that there is a big possibility for price to what? Hit this line. So let's wait and see if price is going to hit this line. If this line gets hit, then we look for W pattern. Okay, and we take profit here. Okay, but then not without taking out some here, taking out some here, and taking out some here. Okay. So this is now the plan. The trend is heavily falling. The trend is heavily bearish, but can take advantage of the corrective wave, the normal way, because now we know that price has touched a very important level, right? It has touched a very important level. But what I want to see before I decide to take a corrective wave, I want to see this level taken out. Now let's look at why we have this level here. Let's see 1 hour. So see, levels don't lie. See, this is the reason why we have that level there. So let price touch this level so that we know that officially it's going back. Okay, officially it's going back. Officially, price should turn back. Official, like it's official now. It should turn back. We are going to for sure get a very nice position today, guys. So I'm happy now. I just became so happy. Nice. It's heading for that point. That's beautiful. It's heading for that point. Let me switch back to 1 minute. Yes. That is beautiful. 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 Euro USD. Aha. Euro USD. Euro USD is doing some aha here. Let's see what price is doing now. Price. Okay, I better draw this level. This is a very important level. So if Euro USD touches this level, then it means I'm going to see some consolidation and subsequently a push to this trend line. All right. Okay. 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 Really, there should be a fall, man. Like serious fall. Fall from grace. That's what this is called, right? She fall. Nice. Nice looking good. Question: do you think if price breaks below this level, that is gonna move all the way down? I don't know. 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 We can actually attempt it. I mean, with very small stop loss, right? The break of this low, right? The break of this low with a very small stop loss. But I've said this, so this is too much, I would say, right? Okay, let's start with this, then we can reduce it accordingly. Let's see if we're gonna smash. This is actually 21 pips. Yes, nice. 7.5 for 21 pips. Again, one is almost 1:3. German index is at our level now. So now we observe how it reacts, whether it wants to go down to this level as well. Nah, man, guys, it's tough. It's very, very tough, really. So tough. Now, price is sitting on this level. Sitting on this level. So of course, there is no rule that says if price comes to this level, it's going to reverse. It's a case of you looking out for reversal signs or wait for price to also test the next level. Okay. So we didn't get any confirmation here. That was why we didn't get into all these nice, fantastic moves. Okay. Imagine a move before me. This move started here. Now it has moved what? 145 pips. This is an abomination, man. Right? It is an abomination. I mean, I'm gonna smack this pave. Okay, Euro USD is doing something. Euro USD is doing something. The question is it gonna continue? This nice stuff that Euro USD is doing. The question is this stuff gonna continue? Now let's see if it's gonna continue or not. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, come here, boy. So I feel it's going to continue. I feel it's going to continue. So leave it on. Let's see. So now that this is broken, let's please move our stop loss to this level to 3.5. Why do I say this? Because if this breaks above this 3.5, most likely price will come up, must hit your stop loss, because price will come up all the way. Let me show you what's going to happen. This is the line, right? So price will come up all the way here. Do not forget, make sure you're using proper risk management, okay? Make sure you are using proper risk management. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose. That's is very important, okay? So just one thing I would like to let you guys know. I'm always available here, okay? Go there and we meet to talk there every day. Even if I'm offline, I'm not available. We have a set of people there. We are like family, right? We have a couple of guys there who are experienced and they're going to talk to you. Once you send a message, they're going to respond to you. I didn't hire them. That those people I met online. I've never even met them. I've never even chatted them privately. But then they just answer people based on the knowledge level they have and their experience, and really it is a nice thing. We're helping out each other there. So go here and join us. We are like one family. Come over here and join us, guys. Telegram, your Telegram, search for this name. But otherwise, go to my description. The link in my description, my Telegram channel is there as well. Go there and join us from there, okay? So if you're in this trade, just make up your mind that you're going to lose this 3.5 dirham pips, okay? This 3.5 pips, make up your mind that you're going to lose it. Nice. Now I like what I see, guys. Now this is the level. Now I think I'm going to focus my attention towards the other one, towards German index. I'm going to focus my attention down towards German index. Woo! Guys, do you see that? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Please move your stop loss to break even immediately and close at 50%. Move your stop loss to break even and close at 50% immediately, okay? This is beautiful. Close at 50% and move your stop loss to break even, okay? Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Awesome. Do not forget, volume came into Euro USD just now. The volume is dancing. Euro USD is dancing around now on my broker platform. And I can't see the dance here, but on my broker platform is dancing around with very large spread. It means that volume came in. What I'm going to do is to close out up to 90% and let only 10% run to TP, okay? Okay. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey, guess he's waiting for New York. Oh, hi. Can someone please write self stop loss levels for EUD as not clearly visible on my mobile? All right, my dear. It's okay. No worries. I got you. I got you, my man. Okay. This is take profit, and this is Excel. All right, my friend. Oh my gosh. I just have nothing to say, but oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! Price is moving. Price is insane, guys. Price has gone bananas. Let's see. Perhaps there's a news. Maybe there's a news right here. that must have triggered this move? Nothing, actually. No news. The hell is moving this guy? Woo! Guys, this is woo. It's beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. So for this guy, I'm just waiting to see a very nice wave to the upside. Then I will hope for a corrective move on German index. I'm hoping for a very nice wave, but then it's not coming. Really, I don't want to get into German index the way I trade. I don't want to trade German index the way I trade Euro USD because it's not going to be funny. I just want to trade it the way I should trade it. Okay, that's the strategy that works with it, guys. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? If I were you, I'm going to close out. Don't wait for price to hit that level. Okay, close out, guys. We're out already. Close out our positions, guys. Please go ahead and join us here. Telegram. We do this every day. This is what we're good at. Okay, we're good at nothing but just taking money from forex. Just take the money, take the money, take the money, take the money. That's all we do. Every day we take the money, take the money, take the money, take the money. That's all. Okay. Go ahead and follow us there, guys. I'm just skeptical about. Ooh, stop loss finally hits. Congrats to everyone that took the trade. Congrats to everyone that took this trade. This trade is very. It looks very beautiful. Looks so beautiful. Looks very beautiful. Okay, guys, apologies. I went somewhere to attend to something very urgently. So now let's see how price is going to react around here because this move cannot go without correction. Okay, guys, did you see this? Woo! This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is Just imagine that I had my multiple, like my 350 positions open, and this happened. Dang, dang. Something is definitely wrong in Europe, really, because this is really getting out of hand. I mean, what the hell is happening, guys? I see clearly German index is not giving us any opportunity for anything. So, fortunately, we can't rely on German index today. Really, we cannot rely on it. Just the moves are just very shabby and nothing, technically nothing from German index. Unfortunately, it's not respecting anything. It just wants to go down and down and down. Look at 1 hour candle, man. Look at since 11. Okay, let's assume I use one of my strategies, which is what is it called? Weak fail, right? If I had used weak fail, which is one of my strategies, right, I would have gotten this. It's initially 62 pips, and once the break happens, we move to 17, right? 17 pips would have gotten 116. But then we prefer to keep it simple, and keeping it simple didn't work today, but it works every day for sure. Okay. There's nothing we're doing online. We just have to call it a day. We've made our profit. This is our profit. Be proud of it. Be proud of everything that happened here today. I believe you took home something today. What did you take home? What you took home is when you get a pump, close 50%, move your stop loss to break even, because there's a possibility for that pump to reverse and pump backwards and hit your stop loss. Okay. So again, I'm going to repeat with clear voice. When you get a pump, move your stop loss to break even and close 50%, because there's a huge possibility that that pump you got, just like this one, sorry, just like this one, there's a huge possibility this pump is going to turn sour. Okay, pump, and there's a huge possibility the next candle is just going to start to go down and then pump back up, right? So that's why I closed 50% immediately, because I trade this 1 hour. I mean, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, so that is it, guys. Let's call it a day. Thank you everyone for joining me. I hope someone joined my Telegram group. Please go ahead and join my Telegram group. Number one, and secondly, come back again at 5:15 GST. That is 5:15 p.m. GST Gulf Standard Time. I'm going to be streaming and taking trades on NAS live. I do this every day as well. Okay. See you guys and have a very lovely day, everyone. Bye bye.